I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling motion control immediately. Open Settings, find Smart Motion, and toggle it on. You must grant sensor and accessibility permissions when the prompts appear. These let the system read movements. Once done, place the phone on a flat surface and run the gyroscope calibration quick test so readings are stable. Make sure battery is above 20% to avoid sensor sleep. This gets the phone ready. Now you'll configure gestures and sensitivity so actions respond reliably. Next, choose the gestures you want. Wrist flip, lift to wake, and shake are the most useful, and map each to an action or app. You'll see a sensitivity slider. Slide gradually and test each gesture 3 times to find the sweet spot. If a gesture triggers too often, lower sensitivity. If it misses, raise it slightly. Also, enable per-app exceptions so gestures don't interfere during gaming or camera use. Once mapped and tested, you'll refine timing and confirm reliability before moving to automation. To finish, enable background permissions so gestures work when apps are minimized. You should test in real scenarios. Pick 3 daily tasks and trigger gestures while walking, sitting, and pocketed to confirm performance. If you notice misses, tweak delay settings or sensitivity and retest. If gestures fail entirely, recalibrate the gyroscope, reboot the phone, and, if needed, reset motion control settings, then reconfigure. That single troubleshooting tip, recalibrate first, fixes most issues, so do it before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.